This is called the low res car. Wanna jump in?
Yeah.
Come and see what it looks like from the inside. How it feels to drive this baby around.
We're moving.
Actually,
Okay.
it's quite fast.
Wow.
This is a Cadillac truck reimagined as a full luxury mansion on wheels. This is a fully customized door and it's made entirely out of glass. Inside, you get 2 bedrooms. This is the main hall. The entire truck has 4 balconies like this. This is the master bedroom. Every single detail in here is premium.
Come look at this.
Lecker Satsu Lexus Top Secret.
Ready for this? This is the LFA successor. Look at this beast.
Look at these back tail lights. How cool is this? Beautiful. Now, no exhaust pipes. It's going to be fully electric. These headlights are super updated, love, but the styling is similar. You've got this triangle shape here, straight edge, down round here. Select. I'm going to go pink. Watch this. The world's first fully color changing car. Wait for it. Ready? Here we go. Look at this. Fully pink. This is insane. New technology, 32 different colors on this BMW. Depending on the voltage you run through the cell, a specific color will come to the surface. This is the BMW iVision D. This stands for Digital Emotional Experience. With this car, BMW is looking to combine human and machine, how we interact together. Check this out. It opens up when the tire moves. Look at it opening up there. All right, open the other door. This is how this door opened. It's in driving mode right now. Steering wheel is out. All of this is in red. Now, if you put it in autonomous mode, press this. Wheel disappears. Coolest thing is this. These little triangles. Guys, this is the new Lotus Evija. Most powerful production car in the world. 2,000 horsepower. Check this out. Side mirrors are actually a side camera. Here's the charging port. And they're all made in Britain. Now this is what happens when you put it in track mode. Check this out.